If it wasn't for Rastafari, I and I would have no strength to survive. Hey, let us take a look around, see what's going down. Yo, tell me how come here in Jamaica so many people still have fight Rasta? Tell me how come.
I don't see Congo no time from what the eye. Yo, we shouldn't eat the egg there, no. Shouldn't eat them egg the stars. Shouldn't eat them egg there. Till all the whole eye and I not gone. Just drop out so from Congo pop out one. I have to look at me see Congo somewhere, you know, cause I be a crow me or something a crow. I remember not the one did I say. Here say 2 Rasta 1 locks pop out and 1 start crow. My locks start drop out. So okay. A Congo a crow then, man. Congo. Me a look at me see.
Yo! Yo!
You a crow there, no? Congo.
Shepherd, see me here?
Blood clit. Congo, are you that?
Yes, Shepherd.
Yo, me a look for you from when, aya? Yo, the whole eye not gone from your pop out one, you know?
I that me find out.
Yo.
I that say me run off, Shepherd.
You shouldn't eat them egg there, no?
I that me did I say.
If you not wanna talk the story and I just feel different same time.
Me didn't believe.
Yo, I whole eye not gone.
Me foot them all feel weak, Rasta.
Congo, if you think like me, I tell you, watch out.
Can't believe bomb broke screw, Shepherd.
Hey.
Whole Rasta locks gone.
Me eat about a man still in a Congo.
Where?
We up a coconut aisle.
Eh?
Yeah. It's a good obia man me here. Yo, the man live about 82 miles. We up in the hills. We have to take on the bush. You hear?
Alright then.
So here what now? Me know I walk with a foul still in us, so and I've got to put it in a box.
Really, Shepherd?
Yeah man, so come in.
Yo, Shepherd, look off of me, Shepherd.
Easy man.
Shepherd, me say look off of me now, Shepherd.
This is real blood clit. Congo.
Oi.
How we can't reach it?
I mean, I want the same thing.
Man feel all tired, you know. Never see no mango tree about the place.
Bust the box, let me get some fresh air now.
A true man, you must have dead in this.
Ah. Wow. Long time me no feel cold breeze.
Yeah man, no say nothing man, that's enough.
Alright.
I know say, it look like we not go make it for evening. But we are trying to go and see him way man.
Then the must.
Go and cool Congo. Congo, far enough Congo.
Then me no see it, Shepherd.
Come on.
Don't know where you go them now, you know, I go them get the Rastafari, I can't believe I. John White. Can't, yo, I want to go to them, can't go to them Rasta. Meh! Meh! Anytime you go 80 Rasta, watch me on this. I'll show them something.
Shepherd.
Yeah.
What that no sound like goat, Shepherd?
You know me hear the sound for sure. Let me go see how. Blood sweet Congo. Look like a naughty one.
Oh yeah, say.
Naughty one.
But wait, how that Shepherd? How you do ya so?
Boy, not one. And where you are doing, sir?
You know, say I'm go out there, me a look for I. Try to go in from one, I compliment, I can't find him Rasta. You know where they gone I.
Yo, you what now? I just have some parrot bird. Parrot bird and I look for what you not now go on. Some parrot bird me I look for go sell some tourists. You see it not one.
Hey, make sure you know Shepherd. Because I see people in place, you know I. One thing come to mind, no Rasta.
But I was foolish in saying when not one. What come to mind?
Barshile, eh? Hey, let me tell you something. See for Barshile, you see last man go for Barshile, no they can't find him in a Rasta. So man, you know I.
Ain't not one. You always a come with some foolish story now. I know say your story them and some story to talk about, you know. And I just go and look some parrot bird, you know, so go and look for your goat them here.
Why, hey, Rasta, yeah? Some corrupt Rasta.
Congo man.
We are see Rasta.
What that man?
You know hear what the Rasta say? The whole eye running water me have to go in here.
Yo, hold them thing the eye. I saw the eye weak. Yo, we are gonna fix this man.
You
Look like we're near now.
You think about what we are do Rasta? You know hear what the man say? The last man go up a Bashai. Them never see him back.
Hey, you know not the one story them, you know. But Congo, we have fixed this today. Coconut eye. So I'm not see no coconut tree, Congo. Like how this place is, Congo.
How was Shepherd?
Creepy Rasta.
Eh? Make we turn back no Shepherd?
What a black ugly monkey!
It is I, Bashail, and I know why you are here, young man. Put that box right there, young man. Put down that box right there, and I know why you are here. Put it right there. Away, Ado. Trimble. Don't be afraid. So, tell me the story, young man. Tell me what has happened.
So, you don't know, say it's just a coconut tree. We climb and pick 2 coconuts for me and my friend. And anytime I eat the coconut, one of my locks drop out, and then my friend just run gone up in a bush.
Lie, you tell me, young man. Don't tell I no lie. I already know everything. It was some bad egg that you know hit, young man. It caused that problem. It was set for someone.
So, Bashile, I just want to help my friend, you know. I know say I locks might take long to come back still, you know, but just help me and I, man. Want to turn back my brethren in a you, man. I not power with no fault.
Don't worry, young man. I gonna help the I and him brethren. So just give I a little time I can change up and start the works. Look how I man gonna do I man works. Sanga! You shall be rise again and be back to human! Rise, young man! You shall rise again! No, your work is done, young man. It is my turn now for the bargain of the deal.
When man say Congo,
Not one they tell we, Shepherd. Not one they tell we.
See a Bashile, see last man look at Bashile. No, they can't find him in a Rasta. So mine, you know, mine.
Congo, we have to go run!
Run.
Boom, Shepherd in the building. People, you don't know Counterfeit Rasta, hit the notification bell, like and subscribe.
Congo Boss represents the Creative TV. Want us to subscribe, like and share. Press the bell icon on the right hand corner.
Yeah, if you are not the one, don't forget to like and subscribe, you know. Hit the notification bell. And so on, keep checking, look out for more videos. See?
So this is Bashile, you know. I want you to like, share and subscribe. Just click the little button right there so. You don't know? Big up on yourself. See it there.
But Molly rise and gone on them think we done. Peter Tosh rise and